Read the article Collecting Rocks, then answer questions 32 and 33. Collecting Rocks by Rachel M. Barker. Types of rocks. Geologists classify rocks in three groups according to the major earth processes that form them. The three rock groups are igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks. Anyone who wishes to collect rocks should become familiar with the characteristics of these three rock groups. Knowing how a geologist classifies rocks is important if you want to transform a random group of rock specimens into a true collection. Igneous rocks are formed from melted rock that has cooled and solidified. When rocks are buried deep within the earth, they melt because of the high pressure and temperature. The molten rock called magma can then flow upward or even be erupted from a volcano onto the earth's surface. When magma cools slowly, usually at depths of thousands of feet, crystals grow from the molten liquid, and a coarse-grained rock forms. When magma cools rapidly, usually at or near the Earth's surface, the crystals are extremely small, and a fine-grained rock results. A wide variety of rocks are formed by different cooling rates and different chemical compositions of the original magma. Obsidian, volcanic glass, granite, basalt, and andesite porphyry are four of the many types of igneous rocks. Sedimentary rocks are formed at the surface of the earth, either in water or on land. They are layered accumulations of sediments, fragments of rocks, minerals, or animal or plant material. Temperatures and pressures are low at the earth's surface, and sedimentary rocks show this fact by their appearance and the minerals they contain. Most sedimentary rocks become cemented together by minerals and chemicals or are held together by electrical attraction. Some, however, remain loose and unconsolidated. The layers are normally parallel or nearly parallel to the Earth's surface. If they are at high angles to the surface or are twisted or broken, some kind of earth movement has occurred since the rock was formed. Sedimentary rocks are forming around us all the time. Sand and gravel on beaches or in river bars look like the sandstone and conglomerate they will become. Compacted and dried mud flats harden into shale. Scuba divers who have seen mud and shells settling on the floors of lagoons find it easy to understand how sedimentary rocks form. Sometimes sedimentary and igneous rocks are subjected to pressures so intense or heat so high that they are completely changed. They become metamorphic rocks, which form while deeply buried within the Earth's crust. The process of metamorphism does not melt the rocks, but instead transforms them into denser, more compact rocks. New minerals are created either by rearrangement of mineral components or by reactions with fluids that enter the rocks. Some kind of metamorphic rocks, granite gneiss and biotite schist, are two examples, are strongly banded or foliated. Foliated means the parallel arrangement of certain mineral grains that gives the rock a striped appearance. Pressure or temperature can even change previously metamorphosed rocks into new types. Number 32. Part A. Based on the evidence in the article, what is most likely the author's purpose in collecting rocks? A. To persuade people to create a rock collection. B. To explain a new method for analyzing rocks. C. To inform a possible rock collector about how to group rocks. D. To explain the difficulties scientists have in grouping rocks. Part B. Which statement best supports the answer to Part A? A. The author claims that a person can create an impressive collection of rocks. B. The author explains how geologists classify rocks. C. The author describes how high pressure and temperature can affect rock formations. D. The author discusses how layers of rock are held together. Number 33, Part A. How does the author primarily structure collecting rocks? A. By discussing the effects of pressure on rock formation. B. By describing the characteristics of specific types of rocks. C. By comparing the sizes and shapes of rocks. D. By focusing on order of importance of rock types. Part B. Which detail from the article best supports the answer to Part A? A. Igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic rocks, paragraph 1. B. Formed from melted rock that has cooled and solidified. Paragraph 2. C. Volcanic glass, granite, basalt. Paragraph 2. D. Temperatures and pressures are low. Paragraph 3.